This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, December the 11th, 2012. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. So at noon today we have a trough digging into the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, piece of energy over the southern plains and up into the Great Lakes, another coming into the north and west. And this is just going to bring a lot of cold air through the state. It will be cloudier further north, sunnier further south, highs in the 20s north to low 30s south. But by Wednesday, the winds switch around to the south and southwest and mainly sunny, few more clouds over the north. Highs will be in the 30s to lower 40s across the state. And maybe a degree or two warmer here on Thursday with highs maybe well into the 40s. Maybe approaching 50, but it'll be much cooler near the Iowa-Minnesota border where they have a little bit of snow on the ground. And then Friday, be about the same, maybe a touch cooler with the winds backing off a bit from the south. Highs mainly in the 40s, maybe a few upper 30s in the north. And then the next storm system here comes on Saturday. Right now, with a low pressure near about Quincy, Illinois, Hannibal, Missouri, there'd be enough warm air that the precipitation may be rain or rain-snow mix or a little bit of snow near the Minnesota border, and that moves off here Sunday. We could see some wraparound snow flurries Sunday morning. Otherwise, it'll be clearing late in the day and rather cool with highs in the 30s. As we begin the new work week, we have a small weak disturbance coming in, according to the GFS, that could bring some extended cloud cover with maybe a few flurries and snow showers in the Dakotas and Nebraska and up into Minnesota. But a week from today, we have a big trough with a big vortex over the south and east, few over the Canadian provinces. And with this pattern, the weak system you see on Monday is gone here for Tuesday. Big storm over the southeast, another over the Canadian Maritimes, and another one coming into the Pacific Northwest. We move ahead a couple more days. On the 22nd, we have a trough over the eastern part of the country with some energy to our southeast and a little bit to our north. Big vortex over the Pacific. And with this, we'll have a very cold mass of air coming down. Some snow possible, but it looks like most of the precipitation will be to our south and southeast again. The 2012 mantra of this year. And at the end of the forecast on the day after Christmas, the 26th, pretty zonal across the country with a bit of energy over the Pacific Northwest, or just off the Pacific Northwest coast. And if this ends up being right, this would bring very cold air straight south, a 1044 millibar high over Alberta and Saskatchewan, bringing very strong cold north winds in from the Arctic. Last night's satellite image showed the system moving off the east coast with some showers and thunderstorms along it. Lots of cold air coming in behind it. Few clouds over the plains, and another storm moving in to the Pacific Northwest coast and in Canada. Watch warning map from last evening. Fairly quiet. Some winter weather advisories in northern Maine, across the Colorado Rockies, near Yellowstone National Park, the Sierra Nevadas. Some freeze warnings along the Gulf Coast and also across southern Arizona. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, showing some precipitation around here, maybe a quarter to a half an inch, leaning more toward the quarter than the half an inch, with the heaviest amounts to the southeast and well off to our west.